Hello people and welcome back to Code on Dashcam channel, a channel that's packed with the most epic and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. Of course, this episode won't disappoint, so make sure to stick around and see. All the clips shared in this episode are for educational purposes and hopefully you learn something. So without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. Driver who was in a left turn lane cut right across the road and he nearly hit the camera as well.
Mas qual é que é a necessidade?
Pá, é estes gajos que têm a mania que toda a gente lhes vai...
Vai ver agora. Agora segura assim. Fónix anormalzinho do caraças, meu.
I'm sure that you've never seen a greater sense of self-entitlement than right here in this clip. Driver tried to force his way in front of the camera at all costs, but the camera stood his ground and refused to make space for him. However, the crazy driver did not get discouraged. Check out what happened next.
Clearly we're not looking.
Camera was driving along a quiet city street at night and he suddenly came across a group of cyclists coming the other way. Some of them were even on their phones and they almost ran into the camera's car.
Second target area, Reed is talking and he seems on fire today, so back down.
And their car's gone. Ricky probably know the word.
He didn't have no money left, didn't have no receipt showing what he spent it for, see. So
They got rid of him.
got rid of him on that.
She's waiting on the bus, ain't she?
Yeah.
Wonder where she's working for. Look like McDonald's to me.
Is that a woman driving that vehicle back there?
I can't tell.
She's all over the dead down, ain't she?
Yeah.
She wants to ride this bumper. 45 ain't fast enough for her. That's the speed limit. We'll take her down to 20. Well, she's right behind me right here.
Give her the pizza.
She brought her on at me.
Yeah. Hadn't cooked down.
See what the old bitch wants. She might want me, huh? That's it. Let's see how brave she is.
Cut out your brain, turn you into a zombie.
And you know they really did that.
Yeah,
They really did that.
they really did that.
They really did that.
I had a professor in college who used to work at an asylum and was the weirdest dude ever. It was an awful class on like psychiatry, and he was kind of talking glowingly about lobotomies. And like someone asked him like,
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera here. This guy was backing up, but he didn't check his mirrors while doing so, and he hit the camera. However, that's not the most shocking part of it all. One driver was way too impatient for his own good. He passed the camera way too dangerously and way too fast. The bad thing is that all of this happened right in front of a police officer.
Thank you! Thank you! There you go, stupid!
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you managed to learn something out of all the mistakes you saw. Make sure to leave a like, because that would mean a lot to us. Subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.